आज बात हो रही है रियलिटी टीवी की और इस डिस्कशन में अब हमारे साथ होंगे दो ऐसे सितारे जिन्हें 3 साल पहले बड़े प्यार और धूमधाम से लोगों ने एंड ऑफ कोर्स सैटेलाइट टीवी ने सिंगिंग स्टार्स बनाया। प्लीज वेलकम अनुष्का एंड माहुआ ऑफ विवा फेम। Hello, you gorgeous women.
Hello. Hello, you gorgeous yourself.
Tall, strapping, beautiful. I love your hair.
Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
So, girls, how does it feel to be pop stars?
It feels good. We've always wanted to sing and be part of the whole entertainment industry. And we did.
Well, one day you girls were college-going girls, and overnight you became these huge
She wasn't
successes.
even college going.
Okay,
Yeah,
not even college-going girls. And then suddenly become these huge overnight pop stars. How did you all handle it?
There was nothing really to handle because we had no clue what was going on. It all happened so fast.
Success आ जाती है, fame आ जाता है.
हमें कुछ नहीं पता था. हम लोग अपने घर से बाहर नहीं जाते थे कहीं. The first 6 months we were
क्योंकि time ही नहीं था.
training.
Everything was actually done for you. You get up at this time. Mahua gets up at 6 o'clock. Anushka gets up at 6:20. So we and then you go to the gym and then we go record for 13 hours straight, and then we come and then we have this whole press conference.
Yeah,
it was
you
just
have
done for us.
no
So we were
clue
like
what's going
zombies
on.
actually.
But it must have been heavy suddenly earning all that money, being on, being in the magazines.
What money?
How did
What
that-
money?
Money?
No money?
What money?
All that just
No
for
money,
glory?
honey.
Just
I don't say
glory.
what glory.
Yeah.
we got like far more than we expected. Yeah, we had a fabulous penthouse. We had like
Why do you say had? Where is everything now? Where are you at
our
today?
band is split.
Well, we
so
split.
We're all
Yes,
on our
but
own.
your individual careers.
Yeah, right. Now we're back in our own humble homes. Might not really be penthouses, but then we're doing like a lot more.
Tell me something. There were 5 of you. 5 लड़कियां थे. सब अलग-अलग. The kind of background, the kind of personalities, I mean, height, body, hair, I mean, the works, I mean, everything. How did you all coexist and still make great music?
It was really crazy. जब 5 लड़कियों को एक घर में रखो और वो एक दूसरे को नहीं जानती हैं और वो सब stubborn हैं और सबके अपने ideas और thoughts हैं, तो रोज घर में हमारी कोई ना कोई लड़ाई होती थी. तुमने मेरा टोस्ट क्यों खाया? Why have you left the geyser on?
Don't bang the door.
Why are you late? Yeah. We used to fight, but at the same time, we used to have a lot of like fun together. We used to watch movies.
Yeah.
क्योंकि हमें allowed नहीं था बाहर जाना पहले.
It was this whole secret who the
Five
five
girls are.
pop stars were.
There was a
because
contest
it
and
was
all
the
running
first time
on it.
ever in India, so it was new for them as well. The people who were doing it, Channel V and stuff. So it was new for them as well, and they just thought the best thing to do was to just keep it a secret till it came out, till we were revealed.
आप ये बताइए, उन्होंने सब कुछ बदला. The way you looked, they changed your eating habits, आपका रहना सहना
They
जो भी था, सब कुछ. They tried their best. Did you all resent that at all?
It's so funny. Yeah, we did.
At
To
that
answer your
time, we used to
question,
fight a
did.
lot.
We had pizza fights. We would have like our friends would come over with these big gym bags.
That was after we
stuffed
started getting
with-
allowed.
Yeah,
People would be allowed to come home.
Like
I think
our
the first 3 months were the toughest because they said कोई बाहर से नहीं आएगा तुम्हें मिलने, तुम लोग कहीं नहीं जाओगे. You have to concentrate on this because it's really big. And at that time we had no idea about how much money was pumped into it, how many people were behind it, how many sponsors, the producers. We
Did
had
you
each
ever
other.
feel disoriented at all?
At that point of time, it was just so.
It was very new.
It was this whole whirlwind of emotions happening because we've got selected out of some 6,000 girls, and it was like a big thing. We were away from home. The whole, finally we're gonna do our music and sing and all that jazz, and so we just said okay to everything.
Yeah.
Okay, we will not go down. Okay, now you will get up at 6:35. Okay.
But I really
So how
think-
long did the structured life last?
For just a couple of months till our main concert.
3 to 4
Because the
months.
main concert was the big event. We had like 60,000 people there, and honestly, we freaked out backstage. And then,
So then what was it like? You went out there, you're out there performing with like
it just puts
so many
everything else in
thousands of people.
retrospective, like just the fact that for so many months we were not allowed to go out and we had to dance for like 6 hours a day and sing for like 4 hours a day because we had to face these many people, and they were all waiting
And
to rip us
trust
apart.
me,
And were you prepared for it?
exactly.
When you were?
We weren't at all. We weren't at all
We had to hear
prepared
the
for.
obscenities backstage.
The
Oh my
euphoria
God,
was
there's so
crazy.
many people. I'm going to die. I don't want to go out
And
there.
I'm asking Neha, are you sure they're for us? Why are they on our ground? Why are they on Barakhamba? Because they're for us. No way. And it was just like the sea of heads. But it was awesome, the whole feeling when we get onto stage and we were like, okay, are they there? Is mom there? Is this one there? And like the first chords of Jagos Zara happened and we saw all our family right in
Yeah.
the front. And like the lights on them, it was like, I'm getting goosebumps. And it was crazy. It was like, we were tripping. We were crazy.
So if you could press a rewind button and go back and change things, what would you change?
The restrictions. Probably the restrictions to a certain extent. I'm not talking about. There were a few things that, you know, like not to probably stay awake for a long time because it affects the voice. All those kind of restrictions were okay. But, you know, lots of things like
No, I
we had
just wish
5
I was-
almonds for breakfast. I used to have 5 almonds for breakfast after working out for 3 hours in the gym and like dancing for 6 hours and then recording for another 1,000 hours. Okay, I used to have 5 almonds for breakfast, which is little not happening. Because then you, when the body can't have it, you know, not that I
So
wanted.
did you suffer physically a lot?
A lot of us felt sick and the first few, you know, weeks, you know, trying to
Mostly
adjust.
it was like fatigue and, you know, exhaustion, and we were just like really tired and not used to all of this, which is why they wanted to push us a bit more, go to the gym, make us run more.
5
and do
badam
it.
khila ke gym mein bhej rahe ho. I mean, how can you go
We
and
were
work
on
out?
At the time, we
diets,
waited
but of
3
course, which
months.
didn't matter. I used to have a stash of food in my cupboard all the
But
time.
she can, okay? She's like 2-dimensional. That's what I call her. She's so irritating. I hate being with her.
Your band may split up, but it's good to see the two of you together and you know,
Lovely
absolutely
together.
fond of each other and loving each other's company. We're going to discuss more about the two of you and reality TV after a break. मैं कुछ ही देर पहले अभिजीत सावंत से बात कर रही थी. And first tell me, what do you think of him?
I think he's cute. Nice voice. Okay, nice voice as well. But yeah, I think he fits the bill.
I didn't manage to follow the show, but you know, afterwards I've seen the way people have reacted, and it's amazing, you know, it's just realization again. It's amazing आपको एक television show कहाँ से कहाँ लेके जा सकता है.
Reality TV has become huge. I think
Yeah.
everybody wants to participate
Yeah.
in a reality TV show today.
It's
Yeah.
the quickest 15 minutes of fame, first of all, and then it's, you know, it's just there's no negative side to it.
Yeah, exactly.
You win or you're on TV, so.
You win or you're on TV, you win and you're on TV.
No,
You win
either
or
you win,
you get noticed. At
and
least you
or
get
even if you don't, you know, even if you don't win, you're still on TV, and so many people just get noticed just like that.
Anyway, let's चलिए देखते हैं कि आम जनता की क्या राय है as to, you know, your group and you're being selected and all of it.
Viva was very new. I mean, that time, you know, reality shows were not very much in those days. So Viva performed quite well, and it was. I mean, I liked them in the beginning,
thank you.
and they were quite a rage that time. So I liked them.
The television gave the platform for them.
It gets them into the limelight basically. So if they're good, talented, and plus they have the limelight, it definitely works for them.
Thank you.
All 4 of them, and I don't see much of them in public actually. So then I don't think it worked for them. Maybe for somebody else.
The cooperation, everything goes very well, choreography, everything good. But when they sing it alone, it's not all that good.
I mean, it was just for like 2 years, and after that, there's no sign of them. Everybody like split. So I don't think it actually helps.
They split it up. That's the worst thing. They should have not split it up. Yeah, they were good together.
Here with you.
Reality TV में stardom जो मिलती है बहुत ही short lived होता है. आपको नहीं लगता?
Actually,
They kind of take you up and then, you know,
I think it's what you
suddenly
make of
bands
it. Yeah.
dissolve.
No,
It's how
it's what
you-
you make of it. I'm sure if we had continued, we would have been somewhere else, because
Till
थोड़ा
date-
time, of course, yeah. Once you start coming on TV very often, of course, थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. The furore dies down. You know, it's like, you know, it becomes slightly more relaxed. Your life becomes more relaxed once the television camera crew stops following you everywhere with one camera. You know,
Yeah,
your life becomes more
once the
relaxed.
pop star episode stopped after 3 months.
There was no connectivity with our audience.
Yeah.
Then we started on email. We would go to various cities and speak to people. You know, we stopped getting our feedback, which was coming from the show.
But do you resent the fact maybe that, you know, you're taken right up there, put on the pedestal, you get so much stardom and then suddenly, you know, you're dropped, I guess, in a way. Does that disorient you?
We weren't really dropped as such.
Yeah, it
you
was
know,
our
because
decision to
It was our
split.
decision to.
split, but then the fact, what about channel support post-split? Did the channel say, okay, we'll
Yes,
take...
they were giving us full 100% support.
Yeah,
They were giving
okay.
us 100. It was internally within the band. One of the girls wanted out last minute, so which kind of
why-
like.
See, this is where you get
But why
all
can't
the
we go-
gossip. This is all the juicy stuff. We haven't never spoken about this before, ever. I have to tell you that.
yeah.
Pooja, you're brilliant. This is your show. We're doing this for the first time. But that's true. We had like a couple of problems amongst ourselves.
Well, it was all hunky-dory. I mean, we were all fine, and we decided to go with one goal to continue, even probably not with Channel V being under Channel V's like roof, but they would support us vis-a-vis giving us like licenses for using the name Viva, which is their product, using the songs, the repertoire, and everything. We would obviously get out, live on our own. Finally, after 2 years of just being with
I
each
think
other, it was like.
when you look back, everything was worth it. Even the restrictions were worth it. The crying was worth it. The grueling, everything was worth it. The only thing, that really bothers me now when I think about it is how we just were packed into one house. That was the worst thing that they could have ever done, because when you're working in the same house and you're playing in the same house, there is absolutely no line to divide professional
पर
your professional
रियलिटी
and
टीवी
personal
का
life.
यही मजा होता है. ज्यादातर शोज जो होते हैं, लैक्मे फैशन हाउस जो अभी
Yeah.
हो रहा है, शोज अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, बिग ब्रदर है, सर्वाइवर जो है, एक आइलैंड पे लोग को साथ में रखते हैं, एंड दे कट यू ऑफ फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इज ऑल अबाउट दोज पीपल एंड देयर इंटरेक्शन. That's reality TV. People want to
Yeah.
know about you, your lives.
Which they did. The first 3 months, they saw everything. What time you woke up, what color PJs we used to wear. I mean, everything.
The channel's responsibility was to make a brilliant show, which they did.
Yep.
Okay, our responsibility was to make sure that our band survived, because we were about the music, we were not about the show.
You tell me, is reality TV here to stay?
As long as the people want it, it will stay.
I think it's just like remixes, and I'm going to give it another 2 years. Then there'll be something really new that'll come along, and everybody will want to do that.
Which probably America does first,
Yeah.
or London, Britain does first. and
Yeah,
then
something tried and tested.
Tried and tested.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
But we'll write some new songs and come back on your show, and
Yeah,
when our album
next
comes
time.
out. or
Absolutely.
something.
That would be a real pleasure. But thank you so much for being on the show with me today and
Thank you so
discussing
much.
reality TV and sharing experiences you have never shared before.
Yes, yeah.
Timers, yeah.
In this discussion on reality TV, we saw different perspectives that go into its making. The makers, participants, and the viewers. Whatever the individual goals and interests may be, what is common between the three is the love for drama, excitement, and above all for dreams to come true. रियलिटी टीवी की सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि ये लोगों की ख्वाबों को जिंदा रखता है. And after all, showbiz is about living the dream. So, do you think that reality TV works in India? Send me your answers as A, yes, or B, no. And SMS it to me at just Pooja space, your answer A or B, and send it to me at 8888. And remember, one lucky winner gets a chance to discuss a topic of their choice with me. So keep SMSing. You can also write to me at Just Pooja, PO Box number 132, GPO, Mumbai. Or you can even email me at just.pooja@zoomtelevision.com. Well, that's all we have on Just Pooja tonight. Till we meet again next week, this is Pooja Bedi signing off.